guys, I'm Aisha Siddiqaisha. I'm a student of class 8 from Scientix English Care. Now I'm sharing with you an announcement from my textbook. Now I'm telling. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board flight BG88 to Bangkok. We are currently third in line for takeoff and expected in the air in approximately 15 minutes. Please fasten your seatbelt and secure all baggage under your seat or in the overhead compartments. Keep your seat and table trays in upright position for takeoff. Please turn off all personal electronic devices including laptops and cell phones. This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking in the lavatory are prohibited. Thank you for choosing Bangladesh Biman. Enjoy your flight. Thank you.